In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date into Microsoft Loop. Before we dive into the details, make sure you're settled in a comfortable spot, and let's get ready to explore this feature at a relaxed pace. This process is straightforward but beneficial for anyone looking to organize their digital workspace efficiently. To get started, we'll need to access Microsoft Loop, and to do this, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other similar tool you usually use to browse the internet. In the search bar, simply type Microsoft Loop and hit Enter. You should be directed to the official website. If possible, bookmark this site for future reference so that it's handy whenever you need quick access. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you already have an account, great. With just a couple of clicks, you can enter your credentials like your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, taking a few minutes to create one will streamline access to all features offered by Microsoft Loop and other associated apps in the future. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the main page or dashboard of Microsoft Loop. This is where you can initiate projects or explore different functionalities that Microsoft provides. If it's your first visit, take the time to familiarize yourself with the layout, as knowing where everything is will save you time later on. Now, let's focus on adding a date. Hover over the page you're currently on and look out for a small icon with a plus sign that should appear. This icon is your gateway to adding new items or elements to your current workspace. When you see it, go ahead and click to open the drop-down menu. Inside this drop-down, you'll see several options. For the purpose of inserting a date, you'll want to select Date. This is the option that will enable you to add this particular piece of information to your document. Choose it, and you'll see a date field appear on your screen. Now, you can format the date according to your needs. Microsoft Loop offers flexibility with how you want to display this information, whether it's day, month, year, or another arrangement that suits your project's requirements. Make sure it complements the rest of your document for consistency and clarity. And there you have it, a neatly inserted date in your Microsoft Loop document. Feel free to repeat this process as many times as you need to keep your documents organized and up to date. Mastering these small features can significantly improve how you manage tasks, ensuring everything is as efficient and effective as possible. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.